Now what we are weighed with when we look at part B of what we are studying, we want to look at compositions, informal letters. An informal letter is sometimes called a friendly letter. So an informal letter, when we say informal letter, that is what we also refer to as what? A friendly letter. Urukunyorera kushamwari yako, it's not a business letter. You are going to learn about the business letter sometime soon. It is a letter written to friends and relatives. So an informal letter is written to friends and relatives. That is what an informal letter is. The recipient anogamuchira arikunyorerwa if an informal letter is either a friend or a relative. It has one address, very important, a date, a salutation, a body, and the signature. We are going to show you this. When you finish the letter, you should write your name, but your surname is not important, since the one you are writing to already knows your name. So let us look at exercise 1.1. Toda kudzidzira kuti tinonyora sei this informal letter. Practice writing the layout of an informal letter. Take note of all the components of the letter and skip lines accordingly. You can use the following guidelines to write your letter. So as you can see panapa, we have this address. And so this address is actually the address of where you are. It is your address. So we can put in the address of our own school. Let me use Kokomere as an example. We put the address Kokomere CPS Catholic Primary School, then a private bag. Let me just say 1903, I don't remember. Then Mashingo. This is an example. After which you have to skip a line here. Skip a line, then you write the date. Today's date is 20. Then we have 11 because it's November 2025. That is the date. You also skip another line, then you write dear, you put the name of your friend. Let us say my friend is Tafara. So dear Tafara. Then skip another line, you start, I write this letter to tell you maybe about my holiday. I went to Chinoi Caves with my parents. I enjoyed the trip. I took pictures which I will show you. So this is just an example of how you can write it. Pass my greeting to your parents and sister. Your loving friend Tapiwa. And after this, you don't write your surname, it's unnecessary. You can actually put down a signature if you have it. Something like that. So you are writing a letter to a friend or relative. Kunyorera tsamba, shamwari kana hama. Muchitsanangura zvamuri kuda kutsanangura mutsamba imomo. chikoshiwa panapa, what's important is you put down your address. So this particular person is writing from Rushinga Primary School. I am also writing from Kokomere Catholic Primary School. But you can put in your home address, because that's your address. Then skip a line, you put a date, which is the date when you are writing. That's why I put 20 November 2025. Skip a line, you say, dear, the name of your friend. My friend is Tafara. You write your letter in different paragraphs. Your loving friend, Tapiwa. So what you have written here is called the body. Then after the body, you are then going to put your loving friend, Tapiwa, like that. So this is what we had to learn on composition informal letter.